this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech. Guys, one of the trending topic is right there now. This is the second video I'm uploading today because it's very interesting. So if you haven't watched that previous video, go and watch that video. Link in the cards and in the description below. Guys, finally on September 2nd, 2020, that is today, the Indian government has banned Pubg Lite and wechat and other 118 apps. As you know, from so many days we are getting rumors that Pubg will ban because before on the 30th June, the Indian government has banned the TikTok and other 59 apps. So from that day, we are getting news that in a couple of days, the Indian government will also ban Pubg. But finally, today, the Indian government has banned the Pubg and Pubg Lite and others, some of the Chinese applications. You can confirm this by the press letter released by the central government of India. You can see there are around 118 apps that have been banned in the Indian country. Actually, till the recent times, we have seen that the Indian government has banned 2 times. That is, first time was the TikTok and other 59 apps, and this is the second time that the Indian government has taken action on the Chinese applications and they have banned the Pubg Lite and some of the other popular applications. And as per the recent report, they are saying that the Indian government is analyzing on the Chinese applications and they are collecting the data on which of the applications they should ban. So we have to see again which application will be banned by the Indian government. And as you know, the Chinese applications are not that much trustworthy and they are having some of the security issues. So this is one of the reasons, this is a major reason for the Indian government to ban the Chinese applications including Pubg Lite, TikTok, which has been banned already, and some of the other applications. So security issue is one of the main flaw for the Chinese applications. So guys, this is a very interesting video and very quick video. I have been uploaded 2 videos today. So for that, hit the like button and share this video and let's spread this video whole to the Indian country because one of the biggest applications, that's one of the biggest games has been banned in India is Pubg. If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And that's for me today guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!